Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Redis on a Mac. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser, and we're going to go to brew.sh. And Homebrew is a package manager for Mac, which gives us access to the Redis package. And where it says install Homebrew, we're going to copy the script, and then we're going to open up our terminal, and we're going to paste it, and we're going to enter our computer password. And it's done. So now that we have Homebrew installed, we need to install the Redis package. And this is going to give us access to the Redis server, as well as the CLI that we can use to connect to other Redis instances. So to do this, we're going to type brew install Redis, and it's done. So now that we've installed Redis, we can run it in two different ways. The first way is to just run Redis in the foreground, and to do this, we can type redis-server, and this will run the Redis server until we press Ctrl-C and exit the process. But if you always want to run Redis in the background, you can run brew services start Redis. And this will start Redis as a service. So now we can test to see if Redis actually works. So to do this, we could type redis-cli, and this will attempt to connect to our local Redis install. And to test it, we could just type ping, and it works. So now we could exit the Redis CLI, and to stop Redis, we could type brew services stop Redis, and it worked. And now if I try to run Redis CLI again, it will give me an error, and that's because Redis isn't running. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!